Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a PayPal account. You can use a desktop, a laptop, or a mobile phone. The first thing you want to do is go on Google. Once you are there, type PayPal sign up. Click on the sign up for PayPal and it will bring you to this page. I am very happy to tell you that it is free to join PayPal. You can choose to sign up for a personal PayPal account or a business PayPal account. For the personal PayPal account, you can shop and send payments. For the business PayPal account, you can sell and receive payments. So for this tutorial, I am going to sign up for the personal PayPal account. Once you have clicked sign up for free under the personal PayPal account, it will bring you to this page. So we have a variety of countries. So you choose the country that you are in. I am going to leave it at Jamaica since I am in Jamaica. You are also given a choice to choose the language that you speak. So if it is English, you can leave it there. If not, you can choose your language. The first thing to do is add your mobile number. So go ahead, add your mobile number and click the next button. Once you have clicked the next button, PayPal will send you a code to your phone. If you haven't received that code, you can definitely send it again. To be able to move on from this page, you need to add the 6-digit code in those blank spaces. For this step, you are required to add personal details. Make sure that the information is accurate. So you need your email address, your first name, middle name, surname, password, and you need to confirm that password. For password, PayPal usually suggests password for you. If you don't want to use that, you can create your own. But do not use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or the letters A, B, C, D. And I will show you what will happen when you use that. Once you have completed this section, click on the next button. For this section, you need to add your date of birth. Your nationality will be added for you, your identification type, your ID number, your address line 1. The address line 2 is optional. you need to add your city or town and your state. For the identification type, you can either add your national ID, your driver's license, or your passport number. When you are finished adding in the information, click agree and create account. We are almost done. If you want to link your card to your PayPal account, you can do so now, or you can leave it for later. If you want to know how to link your card to your PayPal or what kind of card to use to link to your PayPal, check out my video. It will be in the description box below, and I will insert a card at the top right hand corner just for you. I am now back on Google. So what you need to do is log into your PayPal account. This is a page that you will be seeing. I will be clicking on a few things so you can see the options that you have. For persons who want to get paid using PayPal, you can create a link, and this link you can send it to your employer so they can pay you through it. This is not only for that reason. If you have a YouTube channel like I do, you can use this link to get donations from your subscribers if they are feeling generous. So this is what this link is for. Now that you have created this link, you can copy it and share it to your YouTube channel, your workplace, your Facebook account, wherever you want to share it to. Now let us explore some more.
clearly you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. I hope that you have learned something new. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time,